Come on, y'all. Yeah. Well, I'm free again to do what I want again. Free again to sing my songs again. Free again to end my longing to be out on my own again. I had me a girl that she could understand. She might need to be a man. Now I'm gonna make my way to another town. My feet are on the ground. Well, I'm free again to sing my song again. Free again to right my wrong again. Free again to end my longing to be out on my own again. Come on, y'all. That was beautiful. That's a good beginning. Wait a second. That sounds awful. There's no spirit there, Richard. Come on. Yes, the shoulders, that's where it lies. Give us the kung fu on this one, Richard. Well, I'm free again to do what I want again. Yeah, free again to sing my song again. Free again to end my longing to be out on my own again. I had me a girl, she couldn't understand me and my ways, my need to be a man. Now I'm gonna try to make her understand. Baby, I'm again. Well, I'm free again to do what I want again. Free again to sing my song again. Free again to end my longing to be out on my own again. Take it, John. Well, I made a mistake, and I thought I could settle down. Thought I could make my leash on the neck around. Now I'm gonna make my way to the town. Feet are on the ground. Well, I'm free again to do what I want again. Free again to sing my song. Free again to end my longing to be out on my own again. Come on. Well, I'm free again to end my longing to be out on my own again. Now D, well, I'm free again to do what I want again. Free again to sing the song. Free again to end my longing to be out on my own again. Come on now, we're in D now. John Lightman playing the key of D instead of A. Lightman. There was a modulate.
Yeah, the last 45 seconds really was horrible. I think it was my fault.
What? So, Lightman, just remember to modulate. It was great except for that.
I think it sounds good except for about the last minute and a half, 2 minutes. And I go, woo, woo, and I